Hello guys, welcome back with the third puzzle, a tectonic with 1 star, not in today's newspaper of Monday, May the 1st, 2023. Told you earlier, we have no extra puzzles in today's newspaper, no additional, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the Tuesday edition, April the 25th, 2023, and I've already solved 2 puzzles, the ladder Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. So now 1 puzzle is left, and it's a tectonic. Tectonic with a 1 star. Alright, let me position the camera, and this one will be number 63666. Yeah, 6366. Before I start, I always kind of printed letters. Not letters, but digits. This one is 18 printed. I believe 18. Yeah, 18. 18 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. Of course, it's indicated with 1 star, and for a 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1-star puzzle. So let's get started. First question, do we have here duo box? No, not duo box, single box. A single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Then the following question, do we have here duo boxes then? See, only here 1 duo box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. The following question, triple boxes then. Well, we have a triple box. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here or there. The other numbers could be everywhere, the 2 and the 3. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box. The box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Alright. More triple boxes, no quadra boxes then. Let me check. For the quadra boxes, we only have 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, those 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for 4 should be there. So the other 2 numbers should be there. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Alright. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. Yeah. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 then. Alright. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. The T shape. Only 1 T shape here. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Of course, I've already filled in here. Alright. Do you have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. This box has the same number as that box. More? No. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here then. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Okay. Oh, overlook this one. Yeah. But it's rotated. Yeah. So this box has the same number as that box. This case is a 1 or a 2 here. Overlook this one, yeah. So here we have one, second one, the third one. Then the following shape, I believe the last shape is this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes. Figure, structures, constructions, whatever, you name it. 4 out of 6. Yeah, maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill anyone in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 1, but also those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Then. Well, these 2 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 here. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 1, and that box should be a 2. Alright. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 1 and a 2. I've marked this box 1 or a 2. We have a 1 now. So this box can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box. So we also a 2. 1 box left in this corner box. Should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 1. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be here. That means we have a double 1 there. That means I cannot place the 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill anyone in one of those 2 boxes. It's not the solution. Place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. 2 and 3, alright. Okay. Then, yeah, need to think. Come on. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, if I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here. So it's not the solution, place the 1 there. Only place left for the 1. Should be there. Alright. Okay. Now. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be a 1. We have a 1 in the same area. Can it be a 2? Should be a 3. Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so a 3. 2 numbers left in the T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 5. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes appear. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be a 5. Those 2 boxes can be a 5 because we have a double 5 there. If you place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 1, but also those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Then yeah. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. Wait. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5 then. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. So a 3. Then I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area and should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for those 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Okay, that means that those 2 boxes can be a 5 because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here or here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be a 5 and also that box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. 1 box left in this area for number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 down. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes. And 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes. They are finishing in 14 minutes. Told you, need to be faster than 50 minutes. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus. I've also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudoku. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. We will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.